welcome back to the vlog. I know I didn't even vlog that much yesterday, but well, I hope you guys enjoy the little clips that always send you that are gonna be putting out. I was just actually washing up dishes, cleaning up stuff. Yeah, we're still cleaning up, just making sure everything is, you know, to our likings. So that is what's going on. There's finally work started on the house and stuff like that. I need to get my haul done, so I took out the stuff to do the haul, but I'm debating whether to do the haul today. I got a busy schedule. I have some stuff that I need to get done, written down, some calculations that I gotta do. So the guys them will be working, the workmen them are coming today. So yeah, work has started. Vacation for me is over because I just had to take out some meat to cook for dinner. My vacation over, so it's pretty much like I'm back to normal life, but that's okay. That's okay. The sun is shining. As you see, it's nice and bright. The lighting is up, so your girl ain't complaining. So I am just here, and look a miss over here playing with doll. So that's what I'm here doing. I'm about to start. I'm waiting for Mario to come back. He just went to go grab something, and I'm going to go make some breakfast. Probably gonna make some green plantain for breakfast and stuff like that. Just got a few other stuff to do. So I hope you guys are enjoying your morning so far, and like I said, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. And I've been busy editing like crazy. And also, yeah, I just been kind of doing some other stuff as well, trying to sort some stuff out, get some stuff labeled. So yeah, so that's pretty much what we've been here doing, and just cleaning up. And I gotta make a list because I need some stuff. Is what we're late? Yeah. 5 minutes now, go kill you. So those two are up there. Arissa is down at the other house. So that is what is up. I'm going to go head down there just now. Some of the workmen are here starting to work on the house already. And I'm sure, like right now, if I was overseas, your girl will be laying in bed just looking a hell of a mess. Well, maybe looking a bit of a mess now, but I'm a rapper. I know. From here out here, yeah, Miss Faith's been actually getting up and combing her hair. Overseas, she just look a hot raggedy mess. Finished organizing the dresser and stuff, but for me, I want to get some like new stuff. So hopefully we can able to maybe go into town next week and get some stuff. So, and I was thinking about doing laundry today, but I'm probably gonna leave that because there's not enough stuff to wash. So I will wait and then do a load of laundry. And yeah, so that is what is going on for today. It's nice and sunny out. Oh, and just the greenery just gives me life. Mosquito, there's no mosquito face. Alright, so I'm gonna go do a couple of things, and I will get back to you guys and just show you guys what is going on. So I just finished making breakfast. I got myself some corned beef sandwich and some green plantain. Green fly plantain that I'm eating. So that is what's for breakfast. See Mario food behind me. I'm not gonna come eat as yet. I'm over there. They're over there doing work, as you can see. So I'm just here about to eat and sit outside in the sun and enjoy, well, nice shady, and enjoy my breakfast. This seem to be my spot. See, we're planting it. I don't know if you want any. Your GoPro now up on the dresser. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Just wash with the wash brush. Where you find it? Yeah, it look like one from the ocean. Look at them people. You haven't seen them in the vlog for the last couple of days.
Because some people do work.
Excuse you? So what are you trying to say? I don't work? Let me kick it on.
Come, make sure you don't last this.
Put it down there, so first again wash it. You just get
You want one wash brush?
Put it back in soap first. Put it in the water. That looks nice. It looks like something that you would have bring from the sea.
Some piece I'm looking for a long time.
Yeah, how we reach over there, so underneath the dirt, back in the days. What, in the young boy days? Oh gosh. You're not gonna eat. You and Janai before food get cold.
You're not gonna eat before something get cold. Babes, you're doing bad man.
Really? I fear tell me stuff you put in it. So I'm about to go eat, guys, and drink my tea. I'll catch you guys have some footage of what they're doing to the house. They're putting up the falling and stuff and starting to get some stuff to lay some more blocks. So work starting. Mario! I'm help. Oh. Come on, leave. Yeah, right. You know, just get these. Run down. Thick like what? I just put on dinner, and the guys them are still here working hard at work. So this one always standing on the job.
Not at work.
And Mario over there working. You got the site manager here. We stand and make sure the work is going as it should. And so them batch up stuff to keep themselves out of the sun. So work is in progress. One's down there in the hole. You cannot see him, but he's down there. You see the dirt. He's saying down in the hole. Oh gosh, but work is being done. So our whole yard right now is a construction. Oh, it's finally working now. It's a construction zone. So that is just what is going on. We're just here working and dinner is cooking. Finished the other stuff I had to do today, so that is good. And yeah, got some good news, so that's always good. A little sorry for the lighting, the sun went down, but it's still beautiful out here. So the sun, well, it's not, the sun didn't go down, the cloud is just over it, but still nice and grateful for it. So that is what we're doing. We're just here working away. They're trying to finish up so they can cast the top of the floor here. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. So they're almost finished digging out down here. So that's what they're doing. They're digging out and finish filling the holes. So, and they're gonna cast the top of this. So that's what they're working towards now. And they're gonna cast all of that as well. So you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned to see the rest of it. Okay, so I'm here editing this vlog, and the guys are over there, and look on them at you.
Right. So we meet alone come a restaurant. Strong meat, my youth. Meat come a restaurant. Yo. That's why some people strong in a joint. Yo. Yeah. They can't give them a poison off their body though. I don't know, my youth. They just guess my mouth. I don't know. They just step with caution. You can't give them a poison off their body. Step with caution. I not step on board. Where water boat there? I'm going to take 2 more of them. You 3/4 one of them? Yeah. They get love them. About 2 or 3, you know, me have one. Yo. And the longest me have one. Yo, I them a boot a first one you wear, you know, one. Yes, you know.
And you can't tell the man to no leather boot him, you know.
Drop him pants away, it's a nice man.
I up the front and hit them on his body with oil, man. You can't say no, and yo. Look at the man boot is shine. You can't say no, you can't say no, he leather boot him, man, you know. You can't say no, he leather boot him, you know, man.
Seed by to death. Nobody ever miss Alpha. Alkaline. Believe for money on a fantastic. I know that we think about every day.
You know some big level there behind you?
Yeah, but it's kind of too long for you. So.
Short one you want?
I shot 2 feet one in the inside.
2 feet one.
I not go on at all. I go to me, got to me like that.
You lever the right, which part of the passage there, which bathroom door there, where something pack up. How are you? I said, what is it? How are you know? Bum, panel.
If I win this, I call me. If you want to come out of it.
I want to put it 2 penny. Yeah. Then almost along the Memphis I go. Hello, Memphis only one lazy boy down there. I want TV within game. That's it. You know what? Nothing more.
I don't know you want for mini fridge, man.
Not your food, you know one.
A food Memphis, one food. How much Memphis you have at the time?
One lazy boy and in TV with the game. I never see him. You never see him. And yo, down there cool in a boy. And yo, down there cool anywhere else in the house. You down under there so. daytime you come down and come sleep. I know say one bed for you under there. And under there will be the coolest part in the house. And mommy tell her.
One window, two windows.
Yeah.
And two doors. One door there.
Yeah man, one door.
And one there.
Yeah.
And three windows. Yeah, I think everything will come from them, they come up also.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.